Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Redmi A3 for G. My last A3 for G broke, so I picked up a new one to test it out and give you guys a close-up look at its internals, just in case anyone needs a reference. Let's get right into it. First, let's check the model info and the settings. Heat the device for 5 minutes on the heating machine. Use a thin blade and alcohol to lift a small gap along the edge of the back cover. Insert a card and slide it around to detach the back cover. Next, unscrew all the screws holding the middle frame. Put a protective sticker on the back camera. Now, eject and remove the SIM tray. Then remove the middle frame. Be careful, the middle frame has cables attached to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery and LCD cables. Remove the back camera. Remove the front camera. Use tweezers to disconnect the coaxial cable. At the bottom, disconnect the cables and remove the charging port board. Take out the vibrator. Now, let's take out the motherboard. Followed by the speaker, receiver. Next, detach the volume and power side button flex cable. Remove the battery and battery adhesive. Finally, let's remove the screen. Heat the screen. Use a suction cup to create a gap at the top. Then slide a card to detach the screen. Don't use too much alcohol. And be careful not to scratch the screen's backlight layer. Now we can finally remove the screen completely. And that's the Redmi A3 for G Teardown. Thanks for watching.